How's it going, everyone? So today I want to talk about the best anti-aging skin products for 2018. So before we get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. For this video, I will put all the products in the description box so you guys can buy them if you want. So the first product I will talk about is going to be Neocutis Lumiere. Now, I apologize if I said that incorrectly. In my opinion, that's how we pronounce it. This has been proven by researchers, and there have been lots of positive reviews on this product. Neocutis keeps under your eyes very soft and smooth. So if you guys are getting any wrinkles or any dark spots, this will keep it very soft and smooth. I highly recommend this product. Just going off of the reviews, a lot of people are talking about, a lot of people give very good positive reviews. I know for me personally, when I'm getting sick or if I'm feeling very run down, underneath my eyes will be extremely blue. If you guys can see right now, they're not too bad, but when I get really tired, really sick, underneath the eyes can get very dark. Using this product will keep them very smooth and soft throughout, you guys. So I highly recommend this product. Second product is going to be ROC Deep Wrinkle Cream. Now, this product has been proven to get rid of wrinkles and prevent anti-aging, you guys. There have been lots of reviews on it, and again, when I do product reviews, I study the reviews and I study the product, and I make sure that what I'm telling you guys is the best product that you can possibly buy for your money. So I highly recommend this problem. If you guys are experiencing a little bit of wrinkling, you guys want to stop that right now. Doesn't matter what age you are. If you're getting in your 30s, your 40s, your 50s, you want to stop wrinkles. Maybe if you're 25, you're getting a little bit of wrinkles right now. That is fine, you guys. Try out this product. It can help you. Third product is going to be Skin Medica Dermal Repair Cream. So there's hyaluronic acid in it, vitamin C, and other wrinkle fighting ingredients, you guys. I highly recommend this product as well. It will give you some amazing results. If you look at the reviews on this product as well, you will get a lot of people telling you that this product is amazing. I believe there's 600 reviews, and I believe like 90% of them are 5-star reviews. So it's an extremely good product. Now, with all of these products, they're all mostly anti-aging wrinkle cream. They're going to give your skin soft and smoothness. The thing that I have found out is when you're buying products, always buy the smallest amount possible. Then if you try it out, then if you like it, buy it in bulk so it's cheaper. So the first time you buy it, don't buy a huge box of it, you guys. Just buy a little sample, try it out for a week or two. If it works, then buy the big box. But that's what I did. I gave you guys the smallest amount possible so you guys can try it out so you're not wasting your money. So if it doesn't work, you don't have a massive supply of it. I know a lot of people who recommend products, they'll tell you to buy all this big products, all this stuff, and then it doesn't work and you guys have like $500 worth of products. I won't do that to you guys. I give you guys the smallest amount of products possible. I do the research. I make sure it's a good product. Everything that I recommend is good. So if you guys want to try any of those things out, it is in the description box. You guys can click on the links, look at the reviews for yourself, do a little bit of research on it. And again, if you guys want to buy it, just click on the link and then buy it from Amazon. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I really do appreciate the video. I appreciate the support. Comment below if you guys have any questions on the products and I will answer them. Thanks again, everyone.